Amir Adraim biography. Who is Amir Adraim? Amir Adraim was born on 14 January 1995 in Germany and is a social media personality as well as a model, best known for the gaining a huge amount of popularity on the platform work with the numerous fashion brands. The net worth on Amir Adraim. How rich is Amir Adraim? As of mid 2019, source inform us of the net worth that is over $400,000, earned largely through a successful career online, which has led her to numerous opportunities, including the sponsorship and the collaboration with other online stars. As she continues her endurance, it is to expect that her wealth will also continue to increase. Early life and online beginning. There is a very limited information when it comes to Amira's past, as she has not relevant much about herself prior to her reach to firm online. It is not that she grew up in Germany, but is of silently descent. Her family originating from the country which is the Northern Africa. Her family decided to settle in Germany and she grew up with the seven siblings, a few of who have been further on her Instagram account. She decided to start a post linked to the popular social network in 2016 during the time when it was rapidly increased the popularity. Instagram is a photo and the video sharing website owned by the Google and allow users to post media to the public or the appearing followers. Content can be easy to edit and organize through the use the site further. Such a filter as the well as tag. The website had gained a huge number of users over the years, which over billion now registered and over 5 million daily users according to the site story future. 5. Instagram fame and the modeling endeavors. Amira Adraim began to continuously post on Instagram and she would soon gain the attention of the many thanks mainly to her attractive look of the figure. She often sport various fashion style and hairstyle, which gained her a lot of praise due to the how easy she could transition between various looks. She continued to build her body and maintain a figure that would be good for the modeling as well as according her assist. Soon she would be noticed by the various fashion brands which start to contact her for work. She became a promoter for the brand such as Nike, which market it is as one of the famous growing fashion companies in Europe, established in 2015. She is also doing a lot of work for Fashion Nova, which is a fashion-related company based in the Southern California, known for selling the Republican cowboy attention of her clothes for the various body types. Recent project. From early 2019, Amira Adraim has been busy doing fashion projects including continue to work for Fashion Nova and for the brands such as Pretty Little Thing, a UK-based fashion related with product and aim to the woman age 40 to 24 and which operate in the island US, France and Australia. Personal life and the social media. For her personal life, not much is known about the romantic relationship. She has never gone public about any romantic she has had, and look of any information had led to the specification that she is the single. She is still young and many may not to be interested in the pushing the something long term. She spent most of her free time starting fit and traveling to the various locations Similar to numerous models, she is highly active online with the account on the several social media websites. Her Instagram account remaining strong with over 2.5 million followers and considered to multiple uploads at each week. She also have a Twitter account with over 9,000 followers. Though it is no longer active since 2017, period to which she posts a lot of her daily thoughts. There are almost numerous fan pages of the way available online, but they are not related to her in any way. Her Instagram account promotes to GoFundMe page to provided emergency medicine ad for the sudden as they are expecting a short of the numerous new electricity due to the civil unrest. The page recently achieved its goal, which over 2,000 people donate in the case.